What's going on, guys? All right, today I'm do a quick video, quick tip. See, seen some weird videos of some people doing some weird shit, trying to get their engine off the hoist and onto the stand. Depending on what you got, there's a couple ways to go about this. If you have one of those T-styled engine stands, sometimes those aren't going to work because you have usually the back of the stand is the T, top of the T, and it's very wide and won't fit in between the stand. And then sometimes when you turn it around to get the narrow part in there, it's not narrow enough to get it further enough into the well of the stand. So that does become an issue sometimes depending on the situation. If you just so happen to have an engine stand and a hoist that is incompatible, sometimes it just happens and you kind of have to deal with it. But with the A-frame style engine stands, all you gotta do, guys, is turn your engine stand around, put it inside the well, and you're able to disconnect and connect your engine onto the stand. What did I see? I think I saw a video of some guy putting the legs up on this and getting a jack and doing all this crazy stuff when he basically had the same setup as this. If he just would have turned the engine stand around, he would have been able to fit it in, still have whatever slack you need to get the engine on there. So even on this stand, guys, you're looking at half-ton capacity on your last, so you may have to set the engine on the floor or on a tire, whatever you want to do. Bring this out to half-ton capacity, which is 1,000 pounds, and yes, you're kind of at the limit on this one for this particular engine, but it'll still do it. I mean, it's not going to break anything, it's not going to fall down. But just a little quick tip, quick trick on how to get your engine off the hoist and onto the stand. Turn it around, okay? Like they're spooning, basically. And that's what it's gonna look like. And from there you can put your hoist down, put your chains up, lift your engine, take it off the stand, move it around, do whatever you gotta do, and vice versa the opposite way. So just a quick tip, guys, on how to get your engine off the hoist and onto the stand without needing an overhead hoist or doing these crazy maneuvers. Or, I mean, if you've tried to do it before, you know how much of a pain in the ass it can be. So just thinking out of the box a little bit might help you out. If it does, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all later.